Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between 12-hour display and 24-hour display, so military time, on your Casioak. Here you can see on the digital display that we have 8:32 and we are shown PM. So in case you want to have military time display, so up to 24 hours, this is what you need to do. First, you want to press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep. The first thing that we can set is the home city. We are going to press the mode button in order to toggle between different options. So I'm going to go past that and past the DST, and here we are going to arrive at the 12/24-hour display. If you press the start button, you are going to switch to 24-hour display. If you press it once again, you are going to switch to 12-hour display. I prefer the 24, so in case that is all you want to do, press the adjust button and voila, you have correctly switched to 24-hour display. As you can see, we are now shown 2034. I have a full guide with all the functions and features of the Casioak, link in the description box below guys, in case you want to know all there is to know about your watch, so make sure to check it out. Also, in case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel guys, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Like, leave a comment and subscribe.